Hey there, I'm going to share my install video for this retractable gate in our doorway to hold our puppies back. So you've got your bottom, which is going to clip into here. You've got your top, which is going to clip into here. These are the things you're going to have to secure into some studs to make sure that you have a good, solid, firm hold to hold this retractable gate. And then here's your two that you're going to put on the other side of the gate at which these handles are going to hook onto. So let's get it going. Once you have those two clips installed, now you're just going to slide those clips over the top of those clips, which is going to hold your retractable gate in place. And they're easy to take off too if you need to. And then there is a little button at the top. You're going to lift that button, which allows the gate to move freely back and forth. You can kind of see it a little bit in that picture. And there is also a grip handle that you can pull across. Now, I went ahead and pulled mine across so that I could make sure to line up these other hooks correctly so that when I go to pull the retractable gate across, it looks nice and flat and there isn't any wrinkles in it. Now to test it out on the puppies.